Yeah, there you go. Yeah, flexor. Yeah, there. Yeah, flexor. Good. 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 That's right. Yeah, there you go. Good. Next time you come here on the short end, you pick up left lead canter. Good. Good. Soft inside. Yeah. Left leg. Yeah, good. Carefully, stay. Good. Stay on the circle. Yeah. Yeah, good. Good. Soft left. Now and then just carefully straighten her up with your right brain. Yeah, push. Yeah, good. 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 So you're kind of starting to introduce her to that she has to kind of stay a little bit more between your left leg and right brain, but you have to be careful. You don't want to kind of make her stress. There you go. So it's, there you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good. 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 There. That's fine. There. Good, Maggie. Good. But you don't want her to feel that trapped, you know. Good. That's excellent. Good. And transition to trot. Take your legs off. Sit tall. And then there you go. Good. Good. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, good. And then we pick up the canter again here on the short end. Oh, yeah. Don't panic. Don't panic. Yeah, good. Good. There you go. Good. We do one circle and then you go straight ahead. Good. Left hand to the left and a circle. Yeah, just soft left, just there you go. There you go. There you go. Good. Yeah, good. That's fine. Soft left. Left leg. Good. Good. That's excellent. Good. And transition to trot. Good. Good. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good girl. Good. And change direction. Good. There you go. Yep, yep, yep. Right leg. Yep. Good. 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 Then you do one circle in trot. Then next time you come to the short and you pick up right lead canter. Oh, 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 yeah, oh, 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 good, oh, good. There you go. Try to keep an elastic contact on the left and then pat her on the neck with your right hand now and then. Yeah, not all the time, but now and then. Good. 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 And transition to drop. Oh. Legs off. Yeah, good. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Good. Good. Oh, yeah. Next time you come here, you pick up the canter again. Oh, yeah, good. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, good. Yes, good. One big circle and then go straight ahead. Yes, good. Good, Maggie. Good. And a circle. Good. Good. Yeah, good. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Good. Circle, circle. Yeah, good. 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 Okay, transition to trot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, good. And then transition to walk. Good, good. Oh, yeah. So when you're working with your canter work, if you feel when you're coming out on the long side that she starts to tense up a little bit, just do a circle.
Okay.
And then you can continue straight ahead again. But as soon as you feel that, then you just go into the circle, because then the circle itself is going to help her with the balance and gain better control again. So you don't have to feel that, oh, God, I'm losing her.
Yeah.
No, just ride her back to you on the circle, and then you continue. So that's how you build up, so then the straight ahead is not going to be a big deal.
Okay.
Because you know how to kind of fix it with that circle. Because then, when you can do a full long side, you know, when you feel that she starts to tense, you just have to kind of think that circle and prepare for it, and then you're going to get her back.
Okay.
So that's, you know, because it's harder for them to stay balanced
Straight.
on a straight line,
Yeah.
because we have a harder time to keep the alignment.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then when we can get them to bend a little bit, then it's also harder for them to kind of resist and lock in.
Okay.
So Emily, was that my bag?